Well, it's the morning after the purchase of this 76 All Original R90S, and after sleeping on it, I have no regrets. It's going to be a fun project. It's amazing. It's in very good condition, given the years that it's sat around collecting dust up in a loft of a barn. Some blemishes on the paint. I'm going to just kind of polish it out and see how it comes back, and then I'll worry about the blemishes later. Everything is there though. The bike is complete and all original. And the only thing I'll have to do is replace the grips and put some mirrors on it, get it licensed and titled. Which one dealing with the California DMV is never any fun, but I've been through it so many times that I really don't suffer any anxiety over it anymore. So anyway, there it is. It's running, all the electrics work. It's not running well, but it's running, and it sounds good. It sounds tight. 30,500 miles. Probably going to have to put some shocks on it. So I just thought I would do a before video before I start putting a lot of elbow grease into cleaning it up, and that's all I'm going to do for now is clean it up and make it safe. The frame paint is actually in very good condition underneath all this grime, with the exception of where the crash bars were mounted. I'll have to do some repair there. This side, the right side, has some pushrod tube seal leakage, but it's not too bad. I'll have to run it before I decide to pull the heads. There were 14 more R90S's made after this one. So this is the 15th from the last model made in 1976. I've begun the cleanup. Just gonna get the serious chemicals out and do some cleaning on this next couple of days. So this is kind of before on that cross member or the top tube. I haven't gotten around to the master cylinder yet. I'm going to take it off and clean it all up and paint it black. And over on this side, I've done some cleaning. Took the coil off, took the bracket off, cleaned up all the contacts, got the voltage regulator off of it, cleaning it up. I did put a polish on the paint, a rubbing compound. I used a rubbing compound, and it came back pretty nicely. For one shot, one quick shot at a rubbing compound on it. There's no wax on it. I just rubbed it out with some polishing compound. So today I'm going to fix the center stand bolts. I think I might have one that pulled the threads on the right hand side, so I'm going to get in there and see what needs to be done to rectify the center stand. Spent the better part of the morning pulling the coils, cleaning everything up, all the contacts. Also pulled the relay, starter relay, and the voltage regulator, and just cleaning the wiring up and all all the spade connectors. A lot of green corrosion on them. So making progress. I did, however, discover my cam seal's leaking. I'm going to have to get in there and pull that inner timing chest cover and have a look around. I was hoping I wouldn't have to do that until I rode it for a while, but looks like I'm going to take it down to the DMV in a week and a half, and then I'll bring it back and start pulling the engine down a bit. Yeah, it looks like it needs it. I was hoping to ride it for the summer, but I think I'm just going to have to go through it now.